Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're taking a quick look at protecting the floor of your garage or other golf cart storage area from dirt and debris picked up by your vehicle. So we've got a very special GCGTV guest joining us now, our golf cart floor protector, Matthew. Hold on a minute. Being told that he goes by Matt? Well, the script says Matthew. If I were introducing my assistant, I wouldn't say, hey everyone, have a look at my... Well, I think you get the point. Oh, golf cart floor protector Matt, not floor protector Matt. All right. Well, I'm still calling it Matthew. I think we should be on a formal first name basis in the garage today. This universal floor protector Matthew is perfect for all standard golf cart models. It's the best, easy, and affordable way to keep your garage, driveway, or storage area looking great with a safe, clean surface. Park your golf cart right here to help keep your floor protected from dirt, grime, harsh cleaners, battery acid, corrosives, coolant, debris, skid marks from other bad golf cart drivers, muddy pet paws, stains, footprints, Dance Dance Revolution, Bryan Adams, and much more. Roll it up tight into a tube to help protect yourself from spiders and insolent children. Alright, so it's obviously a pretty simple item, but it's not entirely one-dimensional. No, there are different sides to Matthew. It's a tough recycled poly material with a shiny side intended to be placed face down on the floor. The other side, the top side, is a fibrous, textured material intended to help trap dirt and absorb fluids quickly before they can get through to your surface. It can be trimmed to size using scissors if you like. However, it arrives in a 5-foot by 8.5-foot size, perfect to park most golf carts on. It's washable, super absorbent, and includes complete, simple cleaning instructions for the common substances that it helps to protect your surfaces from. You may even want to purchase more than one Matthew to help protect your surfaces from generators, lawnmowers, motorcycles, snow blowers, UTVs, ATVs. You know, some of us have lots of machines in our lives, so it also makes the perfect gift. Whether you're protecting your garage or storage area floor from what your cart drags in, or from what it might be leaking out, protecting your tires, trying to keep part of your floor warm, or maybe your golf cart is considering taking up yoga. No, I don't have a photo for that. It's the perfect solution to keep everything clean. It even comes with fast, free shipping from Golf Cart Garage to help get your surface protected right away. The applications for this high-quality floor protector Matthew are endless. Have questions? Let our friendly customer care specialists help you out at golfcartgarage.com. We'll find just the right enclosure or other golf cart parts and accessories to help outfit your cart today. Check out the link to this product in the video description below. Stop by golfcartgarage.com. or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to help outfit your golf cart today. Remember to subscribe below for more episodes, and thank you for watching GCGTV.